What is up, guys? We just went to the store and guess what? I got Super Value Slimy. Right here, slimy, huh? And it's not just slime, it's slimy. Okay, I better stop being cringe. How do I open this? Oh, wow, I'm so dumb. Oh, yeah, it's hard. Oh, there we go. I like the packaging though too. It's like little slime thing. It's like a little slime droopy. Oh, wow, it's already opened. So, since my other blue slime spilt in the car when we were driving to Halifax, and it mixed up, and we had to mix it up anyways, and it turned into a brown color, and I love the blue color and the yellow color and the pink color, but blue was my favorite color, so we got blue again. Why isn't it coming out? I have my hand ready. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Look at this. Low key, this actually thing. It actually kind of looks like my old body wash. I don't know why. Somebody actually just took my old body wash, which is the Old Spice Batman. The Batman Old Spice thing for kids. That was the thing. So if you guys have bought that, then you'll know what then you'll know what it looks like. You also know what I smell like, which is weird. But here it is. It's literally, when I put it in my hand, it looks like the Old Spice body wash. Look at this. Does it look like it? Or is that just me? I don't know. I might do some more slime unboxings though. Yeah? I'm gonna go talk to my mom. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Alrighty. Peace.